In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up microphone on Steam. To begin, open the Steam application on your PC. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu and choose Settings. In the Settings window, look to the left sidebar and select Voice. This is where all your microphone and voice chat options live. Start by choosing your input device. Under Voice Input Device, open the drop-down and select the microphone you want to use. If you don't see it listed, unplug and replug the device or restart Steam so it can refresh the list. Once the correct mic is selected, speak at a normal volume and adjust the input volume or gain slider. Watch the test meter as you talk. You want your voice to peak in the green area, which means it's loud and clear without distortion. If it barely moves, increase the gain. If it spikes too high, pull it back a little so you don't clip. You can also enable optional features like noise cancellation. This is helpful if you have keyboard clicks, fans, or room noise. Just keep in mind that aggressive filtering can slightly change the tone of your voice, so pick what sounds most natural while keeping the background under control. Next, choose how your voice is transmitted. Under Voice Transmission Type, you'll see three options. Open Microphone keeps your mic live whenever you're speaking above the threshold. Push to Talk activates your mic only while you hold a key, which gives you the most control in busy environments. Push to Mute keeps the mic live but lets you hold a key to temporarily silence yourself. Pick the style that fits how you play. If you choose Push to Talk or Push to Mute, assign a hotkey that's easy to reach and doesn't conflict with your game controls. Many people like the tilde key, but use whatever feels natural. After that, click Start Microphone Test. Speak normally and confirm the level meter moves and you can hear your test playback as expected. If it doesn't sound right, adjust the gain or transmission type and test again until it's consistent. Finally, set your voice output device. This determines where you hear other people. Choose your speakers or, if you want private chat audio and less echo pick up by your mic, select your headset. Make sure it's the device you actually use during play. That's it. Thanks for watching.